Third place, you guys ready there? Ready, right, okay, third place all-wheel drive, Danny Smith! Some awesome prizes this season from the guys at Sampo Sport, Cyclocross, Shiny Monkey Wingman, Sampo Sport, yeah. And in second place, we've got Jake Archer! First place and your winner, give it up for Dimitri Trimney! Just try to avoid all the expensive camera. Actually no, go for the expensive camera equipment with your champagne. Right, you've got to spray the champers, come on! Not a monster, it's sticky. Come on, all hug for the photo. Come on, arms around each other. Come on. There we go. Give them the mug shot. Okay, so once again, put your hands together for your top three all-wheel drive.